Tripura Santiniketan Medical College gets recognition from British Parliaments and gets a unique honor from the World Book of Records. Tripura Santiniketan Medical College was honored with a rare honor at a special ceremony held at the historic British Parliament building. The London-based World Book of Records has recognized the institute's extraordinary achievement of getting the highest number of admission from 21 states in the country in its first academic year. The representative of the institution said that this is a proud moment not only for the institute but for the entire country. Modern infrastructure, quality education and commitment to empower students from backward area are the main basis of this success. It is noteworthy that this college, located in Rani Khamar of Madhuban near Agartala, the capital of Tripura, was established with the aim of realizing a dream. The official of Santiniketan Medical College said that the main objective of establishing this institute is to ensure international level medical education for the students of backward areas. The institution is moving forward with the philosophy that education and healthcare are not just a profession but a sacred responsibility. Along with this, the college administration is also working to spread the message of positivity in the society through the Positive Varta initiative started in 2023. In the program, special gratitude was expressed to Santosh Shukla, head of World Book of Records, and the team of London. Official of Tripura Santiniketan Medical College said that, inspired by the spirit of "Jahan man mein bhai nahi, wahan mastak uncha," the institution will move ahead with a spirit of courage, compassion, and responsibility. The report News Now.